Kia ora koutou. This video is all about negating different types of reremahi, action sentences. I'll be showing you how to negate the three types of reremahi that we've learned about so far, using the different tohu wā that we've covered so far. And there'll be a few quick practice examples at the end. If you haven't watched the videos about negating the reremahi poro and the reremahi whiti, I suggest you watch those ones first. Here we have a list of negation partners. To negate the tohu wā kei we use kaore, then the kaimahi, then ite, and then the tūmahi action word goes last. The negative and affirmative for ite are the same, and the same applies to i. E ana is also the same tohu wā for the affirmative and the negative. To negate ka, we use e, and to negate kua, we use kaoria no kia. I'm going to show you some examples. I've used the tūmahi oma to run and the kaimahi te kuri, the dog, in each example. Just a reminder, these words never change in the sentence, only the tohu wā changes, which changes the tenses and the order of the words change when we negate them. Here's the first one. Kei te oma te kuri, the dog is running. Kaore te kuri I te oma. The dog is not running. He oma ana te kuri, also meaning the dog is running. Kaore te kuri e oma ana. I te oma te kuri, the dog was running. Kaore te kuri I te oma, the dog wasn't running. I oma te kuri, the dog ran. Kaore te kuri I oma, the dog didn't run. Ka oma te kuri, the dog will run. Kaore te kuri e oma, the dog will not run. And the last one, kwa oma te kuri, the dog has run. And the negation, kaoria no te kuri kia oma, the dog hasn't run yet. These are all reremahi poro, so they don't need a taonga for them to make sense. The same rules apply with reremahi whiti. The only difference is the inclusion of the taonga, the object of the sentence. I'll leave our whakaka hore partners list here as a reference point, and here are the examples. Let's use mo, tama and pōtai, remembering that the pūhono, the joining word here, is e. Something worth noting here is that after we've negated the first part of the sentence, the rest of the reremahi is exactly the same. Kei te mau te tama I te pōtai becomes kaore te tama I te mau, and then we just tag the rest of the sentence onto the end. Kaore te tama I te mau I te pōtai. The dog is not wearing a hat. Next one the same. The negation, kaore te tama e mauana, and then we add in the I te pōtai at the end. The only part of the sentence where we switch the order around is the first bit. Here are the rest of the examples. Ite, kaore ite. I, kaore I. Ka, kaore e. And the last one, kua mau te tama I te pōtai, the whakakahore, kaore anō te tama kia mau I te pōtai. The boy hasn't worn the hat yet. The same rules apply with reremahi whiako. The two key differences are the use of the tūmahi whiako, the experience verbs, that are the actions related to the mind or emotions, and the other difference is the pūhono in these ones is ki. Here are the examples for you using tama, mōhio and arapu. Kei te mōhio te tama ki te arapu. The boy knows the alphabet. Kaore te tama I te mōhio ki te arapu. The boy doesn't know the alphabet. And here are the rest. If you need a refresher on any of these, reremahi or negation, please have another look at those videos. Before I move on, I've got some practice activities for you to do, but if you're planning to do the activities, you might like to pause the video and write down the whakaka hore partners first. Here's a little practice activity for you, choosing whether the rerenga kōrero on the left are a reremahi poro, whiti or whiako, and then negating the sentences using correct kupu whakaka hore. Take careful notice of the tohu wā because I've mixed them all up. Next up, I'll be giving you the answers. So if you want to have a go at these, please pause the video now. Anei ngā whakautu, here are the answers. If you'd like to go through these, you can pause the video and check them, or you can head over to the comments section of the video where I've dropped a digital PDF copy of this page. That's all for now, koutou mā. I hope you found this video helpful. Nā reira, tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou. Kia ora.